What's up everyone? I am here today with a video that should be short and sweet. This is a pair of shoes that I never thought was going to see the light of day. In fact, there was a Mega Yeezy Day 2023 and my wife and I ended up getting about 8 pairs of shoes. But if you're out there, you might be like us, where the majority of them, for some reason, still haven't even shipped yet. So originally I was gonna wait for all of them to come in and unbox them all at once, but since that's just gonna take too long, I have been itching to check these out. I think that these are going to be the best Belugas ever, and I hope I'm not wrong. So let's have a look. All right off the back, these are the Carbon Beluga Yeezy 350s, and I actually thought from the photos online these were gonna be darker in color. I thought they were gonna have kind of a really darkish gray, almost black tint to them. In hand, they are much lighter than I thought they would be. In fact, I'm pretty sure they are just the regular Beluga colors inverted, with the dark gray being the primary color and the light gray being the secondary. I still think these are the best Belugas that have come out from a colorway perspective. Being much darker, I think makes them much more wearable. I personally prefer darker shoes to lighter in general, mainly because I get my shoes dirty and I don't like to clean them all that often. So having a darker shoe covers up a lot of the dirt and dust that would accumulate on a lighter shoe and make it look dirty. But you know, not much to say about these. I did get a size 12 because lately all of the Yeezys that I've been getting have been too tight. I made that mistake last Yeezy Day and went true to size at an 11.5, and they really were too tight. So the latest slate grays that I bought in a size 12 and they fit perfect. I imagine these are going to be the same in that regard, but we all know what a Yeezy 350 is, so not much need to belabor talking about it. Let's just look at the details up close. This bright orange stripe, I think, is just such a nice hit. I like shoes that draw attention. These definitely do that. And one other thing that I like is the 3 lines coming off the heel on the inside liner are actually blacked out, which is kind of cool. So overall, definitely happy that I was able to get my hands on these when I thought that they were never ever going to see the light of day. And as a Yeezy 350 send-off, these are definitely a shoe that I see holding on to long term. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one soon.